Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Land Rover Discovery Sport. It's the HSE top of the range. It's also the most important 2.2 diesel, which is very reliable, as opposed to the 2 litre, which isn't. Full service history in absolutely impeccable condition. Frenzy red, front park distance control. Got the black pack on it. Paintwork is absolutely popping on it. Rear privacy glass. It's got the reverse parking sensors and the camera. Come to the boot area in a minute. Just want to show you how lovely this car is. Really struggling to find a mark. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the parcel shelf. You've got the 7 seats. Just pull up, ever so simple to do. Electric tailgate. Stunning with a contrasting light grey interior. Electric memory seats, panoramic roof. Start the car up. Sounds absolutely lovely. It's just going to be serviced, just going to be MOT'd. It's got all your satellite navigation. Climate control, lovely and cold, Bluetooth connectivity, heated seats, different driving styles, automatic, USB and AUX, and your sat-nav disc, reverse camera, multifunctional steering wheel with cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox. Done 83,564 miles. Really can't say enough about how lovely this car is. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.